Here we break down powerful AI tools into simple steps that help you automate work, think creatively, and get more done faster without confusion daily. I opened this tool thinking it was just another whiteboard, and 5 minutes later I had a full workflow, sticky notes everywhere, and an actual plan. Not gonna lie, this felt different. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm checking out Miro, and I wanted to see, is this actually useful, or just another looks cool but I won't use it tool? So I jumped in, tested it out, and here's what happened. At its core, Miro is a visual workspace. Think of it like a giant digital whiteboard where you can brainstorm ideas, build workflows, map out projects, organize everything visually. But the difference is, it's not just drawing stuff randomly. Everything connects. Everything flows. You know that feeling when you have a lot of ideas, but they're all over the place? Some in your notes, some in your head, some half finished. Miro basically gives you one place to dump everything, and then slowly turn it into something structured. So instead of chaos, you actually see your thinking. When I opened it, I got this simple prompt. Hey, what are we working on today? And I like that. It immediately pushes you to start. You can choose things like brainstorming, user journey, roadmap, so you're not stuck staring at a blank screen. 1. Ready to use starting points. This part is super helpful. Instead of building from scratch, you can just pick brainstorm ideas, research plan, roadmap, click it, and boom, you already have a structure to work with too. The infinite canvas. This is where Miro really shines. You can zoom in, zoom out, move things around, connect ideas, and suddenly everything feels like a map instead of random notes. It honestly feels like organizing your thoughts visually in real time. 3. AI-powered help. There are features that help you generate content, structure ideas, and even build workflows faster. So instead of doing everything manually, you get a bit of guidance, which actually saves time. 4. Real-time collaboration. You can invite people into the same board, and everyone can edit together. So whether it's planning with a team or just sharing ideas, everything happens in one place. 5. Integrations. It connects with tools like Slack, Google Drive, Zoom, so you're not replacing your workflow, you're just upgrading how everything connects. Now let's talk about pricing real quick. There's a free plan, which is great to get started. The starter plan is about $8 per month per user. The business plan is around $20 per month per user with more advanced features. And for bigger teams, there's a custom enterprise plan. So yeah, you can test it without committing first. After using it, I think the biggest thing is this. Miro doesn't just store your ideas. It helps you actually see them. And once you see everything clearly, it's way easier to move forward. So, yeah, that's my experience with Miro. If you're into brainstorming, planning, or just organizing your thoughts, this is definitely worth trying. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.